In the realm of social media, TikTok is a giant, boasting a staggering 2 billion downloads worldwide. A key question often asked is, how can one amass 10,000 followers on this platform? Firstly, identifying your target audience is crucial. Understanding who you're creating content for allows you to tailor your videos to their interests, leading to higher engagement. Secondly, harness the power of trends. Participating in popular challenges and using trending sounds can significantly increase the visibility of your content. Thirdly, engage in the noble act of educating your followers. Sharing useful tips, tricks, or life hacks can provide valuable insights and establish you as a trusted source of information. Now let's talk about hashtags. Incorporating relevant hashtags can make your content discoverable to a wider audience, boosting your reach and follower count. Cross-promotion is another effective strategy. By sharing your TikTok content on other social media platforms, you can attract followers from different networks. Also, timing is key. Posting during peak hours when your audience is most active can maximize engagement. Creating and participating in challenges can also play a pivotal role. Such activities not only engage your audience, but also foster a sense of community around your brand. Interacting with other TikTok creators can open doors to their followers, helping you grow your network. User-generated content is a goldmine. Encouraging your followers to create content related to your brand or niche can significantly boost engagement and reach. Trying a TikTok growth tool can provide valuable insights to optimize your content strategy. Engaging with your audience is paramount. Responding to comments, messages, and mentions helps build a community around your brand. Creating shareable content is key. This type of content can help increase your reach and attract new followers. Running contests and giveaways can encourage engagement and attract new followers who are interested in your prizes. Using analytics can help you understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy based on the insights you gain. Collaborating with influencers can give your content more visibility and attract a larger audience. Posting consistently can keep your audience engaged and looking forward to your next post. Optimizing your profile is essential. A complete profile with a clear bio, profile picture, and links to your website or other social media can attract more followers. Using stories and live videos can help you connect with your audience in real time. Lastly, don't forget to promote your social media accounts on your website, email signatures, and business cards. In conclusion, growing your TikTok following to 10,000 is achievable with a strategic approach that involves understanding your audience, leveraging trends, using hashtags, cross-promoting, posting at the right time, engaging with your audience, and using analytics to refine your strategy.